What if one structured growing system could keep your eggplants producing non-stop for months instead of only a few weeks? Many growers accept short harvest cycles as normal, however, continuous production is not accidental, it is engineered. In this report, we break down a high-yield eggplant system designed to extend fruiting, stabilize plant health, and significantly improve your results. Most eggplant crops decline early due to preventable stress factors. Improper spacing limits airflow and sunlight penetration. Nutrient imbalances reduce flower retention. Inconsistent watering causes blossom drop. Compacted soil restricts root expansion without structural support. Heavy fruit weight weakens stems and reduces productivity. The result is a short harvest window and declining plant performance. The problem is rarely the seed variety. The problem is the system. Designed Nonstop eggplant production system is built on 5 core principles: controlled spacing, deep root development, structured pruning, stage-based nutrition, and structural support. When these variables are aligned, the plant shifts from survival mode to sustained reproductive mode. Instead of exhausting itself during early fruiting, the plant continues generating new flowers while maintaining fruit size and quality. This approach adapts commercial farm design strategies into a system that both home gardeners and larger growers can apply effectively. Conscious fruiting begins with proper spacing. Eggplants require consistent light exposure and airflow to maintain strong flowering cycles. When planted too closely, plants compete for light, humidity increases, and disease pressure rises. Maintaining uniform spacing between plants and rows ensures balanced canopy development. Adequate airflow reduces stress and preserves leaf health, allowing the plant to sustain energy production throughout the season. This structural adjustment alone can extend the productive period significantly. Strength determines harvest duration. Deep, well-aerated soil allows roots to expand aggressively, stabilizing the plant under heavy fruit loads. Organic matter improves soil structure, moisture retention, and microbial activity. A biologically active soil system enhances nutrient absorption and protects roots from stress. When roots are unrestricted, the plant can continuously draw resources needed to sustain flowering and fruiting over several months. Eggplants naturally divert energy toward excessive foliage if unmanaged. Strategic pruning directs energy toward fruiting branches and new flower formation. Removing lower aging leaves improves airflow and reduces disease risk. Eliminating weak shoots concentrates nutrients into stronger productive stems. This structured pruning approach maintains a balanced canopy and encourages continuous flower development rather than early exhaustion. Nutrient timing determines production stability during vegetative growth. Nitrogen supports leaf development as flowering begins. Phosphorus supports root and flower strength during fruit enlargement. Potassium becomes critical for size, firmness, and color. Delivering nutrients according to growth stage prevents imbalance and reduces flower drop. Consistent moisture through drip irrigation prevents drought stress and stabilizes nutrient uptake. Precision watering maintains steady growth, which directly improves fruit retention and extends harvest duration. Eggplants producing continuously will carry increasing fruit weight. Structural support systems prevent stem breakage and maintain upright growth. Proper staking improves airflow and simplifies harvesting. Integrating basic smart farming tools such as soil moisture sensors or aerial monitoring allows early detection of stress, nutrient deficiency, or pest outbreaks. Early intervention prevents production decline. Even simple monitoring upgrades can dramatically improve long-term yield stability. When spacing, soil depth, pruning, nutrition, and support systems operate together, the difference becomes measurable. Plants remain green longer. Flowering cycles continue without interruption. Fruit size remains consistent across multiple harvests instead of a short peak production period. Growers achieve extended harvest windows that can last for months. Commercial operations rely on these structured systems because consistency increases profitability. The same principles can be applied at any scale to improve outcomes. Simple change that allows eggplants to produce nonstop for months is not a secret fertilizer or special seed. It is intentional system design. When you manage spacing, root development, pruning, nutrient timing, and support structure strategically, production becomes predictable. Continuous harvest is engineered, not accidental. If you want to grow smarter and improve your results, subscribe to Horticno for more high-yield crop systems, farming innovation insights, and future agriculture strategies. Smart farming explained simply is about structure, clarity, and measurable improvement. This system will improve your results